Hi everyone, welcome to today's class, which is in continuation of the chapter Systematics of Living Organisms. So in previous class we have studied some points of kingdom Protista. We have completed plant like protist, and today we will start remaining part of kingdom Protista, and that is animal like protist. So kingdom Protista has 5 groups of organisms. Number 1 is plant like Protista, number 2 is animal like Protista, number 3 is dinoflagellate, and number 4 is fungi like Protista, and last is euglenoid. So out of these 5 groups of organisms we have completed plant like Protista, and today we will start animal like Protista. So let us begin animal like Protista. Animal like Protista are called protozoans. They lack cell wall and they are heterotrophs. It is believed that they are most primitive life forms. तो जो ये एनिमल लाइक प्रोटिस्ट है उन्हें प्रोटोजुआ बोलते हैं. उनमें सेल वॉल नहीं होती, वो हेटेरोट्रॉप्स है, मीन्स दे डिपेंड ऑन अनदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स फॉर देयर फूड, एंड इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट दे आर मोस्ट प्रिमिटिव लाइफ फॉर्म. ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये जो एनिमल लाइक प्रोटिस्टा है ये बहुत पुराने, मतलब जो भी सबसे पुराने ऑर्गेनिजम्स है उनमें ये इंक्लूड है. तो ये जो प्रोटोजोन्स है, देयर आर 4 फॉर्म्स ऑफ प्रोटोजोन्स, दैट इज अमीबॉइड प्रोटोजोन्स, देन फ्लैजेलेटेड प्रोटोजोन्स, ciliated protozoans and sporozoans. So we will study it one by one. Number 1, amoeboid protozoan. Amoeboid protozoan, example of amoeboid protozoan is amoeba. So see, this is amoeba. Amoeba, the structures are called as pseudopodia. Here pseudo means false and podia means legs. So amoeba have pseudopodia for locomotion. They use pseudopodia for their locomotion. And amoeba is free living. But another amoeboid form, that is entamoeba. Entamoeba is endoparasite of human being. Entamoeba causes amoebiasis, that is bloody dysentery in human being, and entamoeba live in gastrointestinal tract of human being. दूसरा जो ये अमीबॉइड प्रोटोजोन है उसका जो दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है दैट इज़ एंटामीबा, एंड वो जो एंटामीबा है इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग. सी, दिस इज स्टमक, दिस इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन एंड दिस इज large intestine. So this is gastrointestinal tract. So entamoeba is present in the gastrointestinal tract of human being. So entamoeba is endoparasite of human being because it is present inside the body of human being, hence it is endoparasite, and it causes amoebiasis, that is bloody dysentery in human being. But amoeba is free living. Next is flagellated protozoan. Example of flagellated protozoan is trypanosoma. So this is trypanosoma. And trypanosoma have long flagellum. This is flagellum, and trypanosoma use flagellum as a locomotory organ. Trypanosoma is also endoparasite of human being, and it causes sleeping sickness in human being. Next is ciliate parasite, ciliate protozoans. So paramecium, see this is paramecium. Paramecium have cilia on the surface of body, and paramecium use cilia. These are cilia. So cilia are locomotory organ. Paramecium use cilia for locomotion. It has gullet. So see, this is gullet, or it is also called as oral groove, and this gullet is open. This is called as gullet, which is open on surface of body. This is surface of body and gullet open on surface of body. So paramecium is ciliate protozoan. And another, that is last, is sporozoan protozoa. Sporozoans means protozoa that produces spores are called as sporozoans. An example of sporozoan is Plasmodium. So Plasmodium is protozoa which causes malaria in human being. So Plasmodium is endoparasite of human being. It is present in the blood of human being, inside the RBCs, and it is also present in liver of human being. So that Plasmodium infect RBCs as well as liver of human being. And Plasmodium has two hosts, means it completes its life cycle in two organisms. One of its host is called as female Anopheles mosquito and second host is human being. तो ये जो प्लाज्मोडियम है ये अपनी लाइफ साइकिल दो ऑर्गेनिज्म में कंप्लीट करता है. उसकी हाफ ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल इज कंप्लीट इन Anopheles mosquito and half of its life cycle is completed in human being. So Plasmodium has two hosts. Number 1 female Anopheles mosquito and number 2 human being. And Plasmodium causes malaria in human being. तो Plasmodium से human being को मलेरिया होता. और प्लाज्मोडियम को स्पोरोजोन इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूसेस स्पोर्स. इट प्रोड्यूसेस स्पोर्स एट वन स्टेज ऑफ इट्स लाइफ साइकिल. इसके लाइफ साइकिल की एक स्टेज ऐसी है कि जिस स्टेज में ये स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस करता है, इसलिए इसे बोलते स्पोरोजोन. तो प्लाज्मोडियम के 4 स्पेसीज होते हैं. सो दैट 4 स्पेसीज कॉजेस मलेरिया विथ स्लाइट डिफरेंट सिम्टम्स. दैट इज प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवैक्स, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium malaria. So here we have completed kingdom Protista का second part, that is animal like protist.